Install the base in a rear seat that's flat and doesn't have an active airbag. First, press the load leg release and swing the leg down toward the floor. Use the recline adjuster until the bubble sits fully between the lines. Install using latch or with the vehicle seatbelt. Do not use both. Untuck the rigid latch arms from under the base. Line up the arms and push straight into your vehicle's anchor bars until you hear a click. Press down into the base. The auto-retracting latch removes slack. The window will turn green when tight enough. Make sure the anti-rebound panel touches the vehicle's back seat. Extend the leg to the floor until its indicator shows green. If you're using the seatbelt, place the connectors back into their storage. Open the lock off so the belt can route into place. Thread the lap and shoulder belt through the belt path. Keep the lap belt near the lock-off hinge and buckle it. Press down near the seat crease and pull the belt tight. While holding tension, confirm the window turns green. If your vehicle allows, you can also pull the shoulder belt all the way out to switch it into locking mode, then pull it snug. Make sure the anti-rebound panel rests flat on the seat back and extend the load leg until it turns green. Always read your car seat and vehicle manuals for the most accurate instructions or consult a certified child passenger safety technician if you need help.